Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sandra and I'm the owner and creator here at Midwest Charm. We also have a storefront in Pine City, Minnesota, where we sell upcycled and repurposed furniture, vintage home decor, and gifts. We also have all the socials, so look below for the links to those. And I'm going to take you on a really quick shop with me, thrift with me here. And then afterwards, I will show you my haul. Okay, so did you guys all guess what I had picked up and what I didn't? I wasn't a lot, I'll be honest. I was in a hurry and I was on limited funds. So I just was in there and really quick had to make some big decisions. So let's get started. And I don't have all these bags open, so I apologize for the crinkly loudness that is. So first things, I did get one of the dustpan sets. I really like this one. This one is the aluminum one, I'm pretty certain. I'm not doing anything to these. I'm just going to figure out a way to style those up cute in the store. And then we got some salt and pepper shakers. And yes, I know they're owls, and this is typically fall, but owl stuff is very hot for our area. These are actually Pure One ones, but they're so cute. And I've got a couple sets of these. So I'm going to take one out of the box. So these are measuring spoons. And I think I've mentioned before that measuring, like the decor measuring spoons sell really well for us. And these are little heart ones. And they say a pinch of patience on the littlest one. Love beyond measure. I haven't opened them up to look at the others, but I got 4 sets of these and they're all brand new in the box so that we can go ahead and sell these as a new item, which I love to be able to do. And they have the hearts, so perfect for Valentine's Day. And then we got this vintage antique, I don't know how old this baby is, for matches. And this thing is rusty, it is chippy. I'm not gonna do anything to this one. We're gonna try selling this as is first. If it doesn't sell, then we may go ahead and do something to it. But I actually like this. I'll probably stick some greenery in here and style it up like that. I got another rolling pin. And excuse me, I have a rolling pin video that'll be coming up shortly of me redoing these. I have 3 different ones I'm gonna do. I think we're gonna do a decoupage and some transfers, so we'll get a little, and some stamps. So 1 decoupage, 1 transfer, 1 stamp. And then we've got, oh, there's a couple of these. Let me unwrap these quick. There's a couple little bunnies. These probably aren't that old, but they're sweet and cute. And you know me, I'm all about the bunnies right now. And those will go directly into the store. And then I got this little bunny. I don't know if he is for a candle, but that frosted blue glass is just precious. I think he is adorable. And then just another white pitcher, little creamer. That'll get some greenery, I'm sure. And then, oh, I'm going to show you this basket first, and then I'm going to move everything back into this. I'm always on the hunt for a good basket, ones that are thicker and sturdier, and just the coloring is good on that one. And then this little Ziploc, or little baggie, I always love looking through these because you can find some real winners. And this one I got for 3 of the things in here. So I'm going to show you the other 2 things first. The first item, I can't even read what it says. I think it says Minnesota on there. Just a little Stein, that'll go out. And we have the cubbies that'll put that in. It's cute. And then this next one is for a christening by Abby Williams. It's just a little like ornament. I don't even know if I'll put that in there or not, or redonate it. I don't know. I didn't even know what that was because I got it specifically for these little guys. Now these are salt and pepper shakers, and yes, it's a set of 3. But these are the cutest, sweetest little things ever. They're teeny tiny. I will probably sell these as a set still of the 3. And that's my haul. It wasn't a lot. Like I said, I was on a time crunch. It was pre-baby week. And I just had to get in and out of there quick so we could get to an appointment. And we just grabbed a few things. So which item was your favorite thing? I think in this haul, it's probably either those little tiny birds or the dustpan. Of course, it may end up being the rolling pin once I get those done. And I can't wait to share that one with you. Please like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.